Kakatapos lang natin ng buccal fat surgery. Answer muna tayo dito isang comment sa TikTok kay Meow. Patopic naman po yung do's and don'ts after rhinoplasty. Natatakot kasi ako kung ano nang mangyayari after many years sa ilong ko. After rhinoplasty, do's and don'ts. Yung mga don't, bawal gawin. Number one, uminom ng alak, mag-party, bawal. Number two, bawal manigarilyo muna, no? Number three, of course, bawal mag-swimming, no? Number four, bawal masyadong magkalikot ng ilong. Number five, iwasan na mag-cellphone na nandito yung cellphone mo, baka mahulog yan sa ilong mo and baka magkaroon ng deformity. Doon naman sa do's, of course, nandyan yung kailangan inumin regularly yung antibiotic, pain reliever, yung anti-inflammatory meds, napaka-importante. Number two, kailangan mag-cold compress for the first 24 to 48 hours. And then warm compress na from day 2 to 7 until mag-follow up. And yung isa pang do, no? Clean your wounds, no? Yung mga incision site gently. And kung paano in-instruct sa'yo ng doktor, no? Kung hindi alam anong gagawin, feel free na tumawag, no? Walang masama na magtanong, no? And number four is kailangan bumalik sa consult or dun sa follow-up mo para matanggal yung sutures, ma-check ng doktor, no? Usually after 7 days, no? So, dun sa may mga iba pang questions, feel free to comment down below your questions, your queries. Dito sa Spectra Skin and Body Center, meron yan sa Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. By the way, I'm Dr. Francis Lao, your board-certified cosmetic surgeon here at Spectra Skin and Body Center.